Boozhoo, naman Wayne mo mapiyajayeg, Miss J Indigenicas. This week is week 17 of Second Step, our social emotional support curriculum. In week 17, we're going to be talking about managing anger. Now, we all get angry at some point. We all, but how do we calm ourselves down? So this is what we're going to be teaching, how to calm down. And so we've been doing this all fall about putting your hand on your tummy, say stop, name your feeling, then take big belly breaths. And this is something that you can practice at home because you'll have the card and you'll have the steps. And so you'll say, let's play a little game. Let's play a game about what's next. So I will say the first two, and then you say what comes next. So first I'm going to pretend like I'm upset. So I'm going to put my hand on my tummy and say stop. Then I'm going to name my feeling. I'm angry. Then your child should say, now you got to take a big deep breath and calm down. Take belly breaths. Breathe slowly through your nose, then out through your mouth. Belly breaths. Knowing how to calm down helps your child to learn in school and at home. We all need ways to calm down. So this is a little boy, and his name is Kenny. And Kenny's got some strong feelings you can see. So you say, what do you see in this picture? Ask your child. He looks angry. How can you tell? Well, look at his hands. His hands are clenched. His face is all scrunched up. Well, then what can Kenny do? What can Kenny do? You could even cover up this picture like this when you're talking about it. And then you can say, then they'll say, he needs to put his hand on his tummy and say, stop. Here's Kenny now. He's putting his hand on his tummy, and then he's saying, stop. And then he's saying, I'm angry. And then he practices his belly breaths. And so this is something that you can do at home. It's just a great way of calming our bodies down. And just a reminder, we have lots of books at school. This is the boy with the big feelings. We got a whole row in our library of social emotional books. So if you wanted to check one out, please feel free to contact me and we can. There's some wild feelings. I was going through some of them yesterday. There's just a lot of really good books up there. So that's available to you also. And I saw this little, I like this little poem. I had it in my stuff from a long time ago. And it says, 100 years from now, it will not matter what my bank account was, the sort of house I lived in, or the kind of clothes I wore. But the world may be much different because I was important in the life of a child. So there we go. That's a little poem for the week. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Once again, I hope this is helpful. Always can call me at school, okay? Mig witch pizzandawi egg. Giga baba min.